फोन দেয় দেখ দিও
কোন চাষি
শোনো না ফোন দিছিল না কথা বলবো ছোট হলে বাসায় ফোন
তাড়াতাড়ি এসো
হ্যাঁ
তাড়াতাড়ি এসো তুমি আসলে ফোন দিও
মিনিট না
পারি না
10 মিনিট ছাড়িতে করো 10 মিনিট নিয়েছি মোবাইলের চার্জ খালি আছে নাই তো গেলাম
Too much from this bowler. He hasn't got the pace. And he hasn't got much in repertoire. With this kind of field pacing, that's wishful.
Yeah, I agree. He's got no pace, but I think when you set the field, then bowl wide. He's not bowling that. Now he's changed it, so he's now gone a completely different way. Now he's got 3 fielders behind square and a long on in play. Smashed back down towards Tissera Pereira, who gets that hand on it. This is a very strange field that I'm seeing here.
In my opinion, he got away with that. It was a foolish delivery, aiming for the stumps. Vishnu formed him, tried to hit the ball very hard, hence there was no timing.
And when I say a strange field, look, that you talked about the lack of pace. So why would you have 3 fielders behind square? If you've got no pace,